Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about a situation every API tester has faced. How do you validate API responses when they contain dynamic fields like timestamps, UUIDs, or session tokens? These values change constantly, like OTPs or food delivery statuses, so we can't just hard code them and move on. Let's understand how to test these smartly using everyday examples. For timestamps, check whether the format is correct, whether it's in UTC or local time, and whether the value is within a reasonable range. For example, not from the future or too far in the past. The key here is not to test the actual values themselves, but to validate patterns, structures, and behaviors. Instead of asking, is this timestamp equal to X? Ask, is this timestamp in the right format and within the expected time frame? Now let's talk about UUIDs. Universally Unique Identifiers are meant to be one of a kind and should never repeat. Your job is to ensure the field is present, it follows the correct UUID format, and it remains unique, especially when you're creating multiple records. For instance, when a new user is created, the API returns a UUID. You don't need to know the exact string, but you do need to verify that it fits the expected pattern and isn't being duplicated across different users. Similarly, think about session tokens, like when you log into Netflix or any app and a token is generated for your session. You can't validate the exact token value in tests because it's encrypted and dynamic, but you can check whether the token is returned, whether it's the expected length, and whether it expires when it should. For example, try using an old token after logging out. If you still have access, that's a security risk. Your test should catch that. So next time you're testing APIs and see these dynamic fields, don't panic. Just zoom out and test the logic, not the value. Validate the rules, not the output. If this made your life easier, go ahead and like the video and subscribe for more real-world QA tips. Until next time, happy testing.